If you take a look at the image properties by selecting the image from the Project Explorer, right-clicking and going to Properties, you'll see that you can get some information about the image. You can look at the file path, you can look at the size the image is, when it was created, accessed, other information. You can set the background transparency. So if I said yes, then any colors, in this case the transparent color, which is black, is going to be the transparent color. Now I want white to be the transparent color, so if I was to come in and choose white as that background color or that transparent color, then it's going to basically, you can see, invert the image. So I can see through the image, and what I'm left with is the line work that is viewable. You can do other things as well. So if I set this back to no, you can set the priority. So the view priority basically being the stacking order. So one is to the front. You can also right click and send the images backward, or send images forward, or bring to back, bring to front. You can set the transparency. So if I want this to be somewhat shaded, I can set a transparency value to it. Okay. And if I scroll down a little further, you can see the bounding limits as well. You can also see the user setting for smoothing, yes, no, or user setting. And if you want to, you can also rename the image. So if I know that this is page 14, I could type in page 14 and it shortens up the name so that when you're looking at it in the view filter manager, you know what page it is. So this is actually page 15. So let's go back and make this page 15. And I can make the other one page 14. So if I go to my Project Explorer and I pick on this one and go to Properties, and I can make this page 14. So there's page 14, page 15.